In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay using Melio payments. Once you are logged in and looking at your Melio dashboard, you are going to start by creating a new payment. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click Plus New Payment. This is where you begin setting up the payment details, so take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct business or account, if you manage more than one. Next, you will be prompted to enter the vendor name. Type in the name of the vendor you are paying. It helps to use the vendor name exactly as it appears in your records, so it is easy to track payments later and avoid duplicates. After you select or enter the correct vendor, you will move on to entering the payment information. Now click Add Payment manually. This option is useful when you have an invoice you want to pay, but you are not importing it from another system. It lets you enter the invoice details directly, which keeps your payment organized and properly labeled. After that, enter the invoice information. Add the invoice details requested on the screen. This is typically where you identify the invoice so it matches what your vendor sent you. Make sure the invoice information is accurate, since it is what you will rely on later for reference, reporting, and reconciliation. When you are ready to proceed, click Continue to Pay. This moves you into the final setup portion, where you confirm how and when the payment will be delivered. Take your time here, because this is where timing matters most. Next, select the delivery date. Choose the date you want the vendor to receive the payment. Picking the right delivery date helps you avoid late payments and can also help with cash flow planning. If you are paying close to a due date, consider allowing extra time for processing, depending on the delivery method shown in your account. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in the payment setup so it can be processed according to the details you entered. After you save, it is a good habit to quickly review what you submitted, especially the vendor name, invoice details, and delivery date to make sure everything looks correct. That covers everything you need to know.